Yo, this is Nick, our Exercise for Cheat Meals, and I have my Bachelor's in Exercise Science and Master's in Exercise Physiology, and today we are here for another edition of Smash or Pass, the One Bar edition. Last time that I did the Quest Smash or Pass editions, you guys all raved about the One Bars. So I'm here today to please you guys and see, are these One Bars worth smashing or passing? Today we have 5 different flavors, and I will start with what I think will be the worst flavor to what I think will be the best flavor. I just ate Greg's famous French toast, so I'm not super hungry, so this will really be a good gauge to see if these are good or not. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's roll that Smash or Pass intro. We are going to start with Almond Bliss, which I didn't realize had a coconut on it, and I hate coconuts, so we're gonna go into this knowing that I don't like coconut flavor whatsoever. So I would say take this opinion with a grain of salt. 240 calories, 20 grams of protein. It's about 50 more calories than most of the Quest bars, but you guys said the flavor is just unreal, so we'll see. Just my favorite. Instantly I get hit with coconut flavor. Just what I was looking for. They actually have like chunks of almonds on the top, which is definitely a nice touch. Super soft bar. If I liked coconut, the flavor would be good. It's not overwhelming, and it doesn't taste artificial either. If you liked coconut, it would probably be a 2. For me, this is a 1. I would not smash again, nor waste my daily calories on it. I'm not even gonna finish that half. Let's move on to chocolate chip cookie dough. I told you guys how depressing usually cookie dough protein bars are. They usually never taste like them. I might or might not be trying to come up with my own cookie dough protein bar, since my cookie dough, edible cookie dough, whatever you wanna call it, did so well, and it tastes just like cookie dough. So why can I not create that into an actual protein bar? But for now, we're gonna try the One Bar cookie dough. I won't set my hopes too high because I told you I'm always let down with cookie dough flavors. It's like, doesn't taste like anything. Like I'm eating, but I feel like I'm eating for no reason. There's no flavor to this whatsoever. The coconut was almost better flavoring, even though I don't like coconut, because this is just flavorless. Quick reminder, 0 means I would not smash if it was the last thing on this earth. 1, I would smash if I was super duper hungry and it was like the only thing in the house. 2, easily smash, not a problem, would love to smash. 3 is like I would legit, in the middle of the night, drive to go and smash, and I would smash all night long. This is like a 1. Okay, so I gotta do like the in-between like I did before. Let's go back. The coconut is more like a 1.5, because it would be a 2 if I liked coconut, but I just don't like coconut, and it's not a 1. It wouldn't be like I'd only smash if it was the last thing in the house, but not the best thing for me. This is legit a 1. It doesn't taste like anything. I hate when I don't have my sense of taste, because I feel like it's a waste of time to even eat. So when I'm sick, that sucks. This feels like my nose and my nostrils fully open, could smell and taste everything, but this tastes like nothing. What a waste of calories. 1. Next, peanut butter cup. Always gotta love the peanut butter. We got chunks of little peanuts throughout. This one's better. I feel like they're almost trying to make all the flavors very subtle, but when I'm eating a peanut butter cup, I want that overwhelmingly peanut butter flavor to just like make fireworks in my mouth. Currently, it's there, but it's like those little snappers that you throw on the ground. There's no fireworks in the air going off right now. Pretty disappointed in that, especially because there's chunks of peanuts in here. And I'm guessing it's probably, yeah, 230 calories. The cookie dough one, 230 calories, not worth any of those calories. This one's good. Again, if I liked coconut, I think the coconut one is better. 1.5, definitely not worth it. If you haven't watched the Quest Bar Smasher Pass, I would go check that one out, but this is not that great. And most of the Quest bars were better than these one bars. Maybe my expectations were so high that because all of you guys literally were saying how good these were. All right, I saved my two favorite for last. Birthday cake. Quest Bar's birthday cake was all right. It wasn't that great. I think I gave it right around a 1.6 or 1.7 if I could remember correctly. Another two, this one's 220, so not as high. All of these have 20 grams of protein though. Smells like birthday cake. Much softer than the others. Almost has like a wafer-like bite to it. It's sweet, but the birthday cake flavor is very subtle again, but it almost works in this instance because it still is pretty damn sweet, yet you still get the birthday cake flavor. This is easily the best one yet. I wouldn't say it's like my protein ice cream birthday cake flavor that's like more authentic, but it does have those subtle birthday cake hints, I guess, throughout. That one's like a 2.1. Definitely smash. That was good. That was worth the $2, whatever. Oh yeah, you guys were talking about how expensive these were. These are just as expensive as Quest bars are. I actually got them, I think 2 for $5 or 2 for $4 at Jewel when they were on sale. So they're really not that expensive as far as the average protein bar goes. Last one, glazed donut, maple glazed donut. I love donuts. Always have loved donuts.
This is unbelievable. Like, I never give anything a 10, but this is like 9.8.
Of course, I have high expectations. Krispy Kreme glazed donuts are about my favorite thing in the world. So we'll see. But man, milk and donuts, oh, yes. Hopefully this isn't just a subtle maple glazed donut. Hopefully it's overwhelmingly glazed donut flavored. Right away, the maple definitely shines through. The protein bar itself is very good. I would probably give it a different flavor name though, because most of you guys have seen how I reacted when I had the Quest chocolate sprinkled donut. Totally different than this maple glazed donut. I would call this maple pancake syrup or maple pancake because it literally tastes like the French toast I just ate, just straight maple. The sweetness is on point. It's soft. It also kind of has that wafer-like crust. I wouldn't call it a donut though, by any means. With the Quest bar one, it literally tasted like a donut. I would definitely smash this one. This is even better than the birthday cake one. I would give this like a 2.3. So nothing great. You guys really loved the one bars. I really had high expectations, but I feel like they need to make the flavor a little more intense in most of these. And the chocolate chip cookie dough, I would just scrap it and totally redo it because it doesn't taste like anything whatsoever. I'm trying to get my hands on some Kirkland protein bars currently, and I will be doing a smash or pass on them most likely in the near future. But in the comment section, let me know other fitness products you would like me to review on Smash or Pass, and I will try my best to get them on here. If you're interested in coaching, I am now offering one-on-one coaching as well as personalized plans and phone consults as well. So hit me up on Instagram. I also post all of my pictures and upcoming recipes on there as well. I hope you guys loved that McChicken as much as I loved it. But until next time, I will see you in that next one. Deuces.